Welcome to Beography. Learn to create intricate geometric designs effortlessly, right in your web browser. Unleash your creativity.
Welcome to the Radial Slatted model tutorial. Here is a preview of the computational model we will build in this video. Search for circle in the library and place it on the canvas. Add a range input, connect it to radius and rename it to radius of lamp. Add divide by count and connect the circle's curve to it. Add another range input, connect it to count, and rename it to number of fins. Add line SDL. Connect points from divide by count to base. Add vector z to vector. Connect a new range input to factor. Set range 0 to 500, and rename it to base of offset. Add extend curve and connect the line output to curve. Add list sequence. Connect divide by count points to list length, and its output to count. Connect a range input to step and rename to variation between wave. Add centroid and connect the circle curve. Add vector 2 points. Connect divide by count points to point 1 and centroid to point 2. Add move and connect extended curves to geometry. Add amplitude vector, connect vector 2 points output to vector, and its output to move. Connect a range input to length. Add divide by count, attach moved curves to curve, and number of fins to count. Add remove pattern and list item nodes. Connect divide by count points to both list inputs. Set list item index to 1. Add insert list items. Connect remove pattern to list and list item to item. Range input to index. Connect move geometry to list item. Add amplitude vector and a reverse vector node. From reverse vector, connect it to amplitude vector. From amplitude vector, connect its output to move input vector by grafting it. Add polyline. Connect insert list items to point 1. Hide all nodes except polyline and insert list items. Rename top output wire to inner curves and bottom output wire to outer curves. Add 2 endpoints nodes, connecting inner curves to one and outer curves to the other. Add a line node. Connect point 1 of both endpoints nodes to point 1 and point 2 of the line. Graph the inner curves and add to curves, create 2 line using both the endpoints. Add list merge. Connect inner curves, the first line, outer curves, and the second line to its inputs. Add 3 simplified tree nodes to the curves, then connect their outputs into a join node. Add curve to surface and connect the joined curve. Add evaluate surface and attach the surface output. Add extrude surface and attach the surface. Add amplitude vector, connecting evaluate surface normal to vector, and its output to extrude surface. Add a range input to length and rename to thickness of fins. Group all nodes, rename the group to vertical fins and hide it. Add list item and connect its input to the output of inner curves, then add extend curve. Add an opposite node and a range input. Connect opposite to start and end on extend curve. Connect range input directly to opposite. Add endpoints and attach extended curves. Add deconstruct point and construct point. Connect z-coordinates from deconstruct to construct. Connect both points from endpoints to two different deconstruct points to create new points using construct points. Add two plane XY nodes and connect constructed points to their origin inputs. Unhide nodes up to divide by count. Add endpoints. Add distance 2 points, then take the center of the circle using centroid. Connect point 1 to point 1 and mass center to point 2. Add flattened tree to distance, then list item to the flattened tree. Add addition. Connect list item to port A. Add a range input of 60 to port B. Add two circle nodes. Connect planes to origin and the addition output to radius. Add two offset curve nodes and attach circles. Add range input and opposite. Connect input to opposite, then both to distance on offset curves. Add inner and offset curves of both to two different list merge and two loft surface nodes. Merge original circles with offset curves, then loft to generate top and bottom ring surfaces. Add two extrude surface nodes and attach lofted surfaces. Add two vector Z nodes to their vector inputs. Connect thickness of fins input to the vector factor of extruded surfaces. Add flattened tree and connect vertical fins. Add two solid difference nodes. Connect flattened fins to solid, and extruded rings to solid 2. Rename top output to horizontal fin 1, and bottom output to horizontal fin 2. Adjust sliders to customize your model in real time.
For watching. We hope this tutorial helped. For more on computational design, please like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to get the notifications. See you in the next tutorial.